Tumesaidia wanafunzi ambao walikuwa wanaenda shule wenye hawachiezi. Kitu kingine, mmeona mama mwingine mwenye ako hapa, wala ambao hawachiezi kwa the disabled people in the community. We have also taken part in various activities in the community zenye ambazo zinainua watu wetu. I request the government to assist us, even at the county level, Simbarati, na leaders wengine akina Doris Tonya Tuto, watusaidie at least we move together.
Vile watu wa special kwa majamii hawaonekani kama watu wa maana, lakini hii chama inatuinua na inatupatia msaada kama sisi watu special, na sisi tujiendeleze.
Na hii chama yetu tuko na mahitaji mengi, tunataka kusaidiana, tunataka kufungua project, tupanda hata chisiaga tuweke huko watu wanunue. Tunataka tena tuweke project ya